Aston Martin has turned into the most recent carmaker to be gotten up to speed in a noteworthy review of broken Daimler controlling segments that can cause unintended airbag arrangements. The British games auto producer is reviewing every one of the 3,873 DB11 cars worked since late 2015, when generation of the lead show started, Aston Martin representative Kevin Waters affirmed. He said repairs would be completed to address an issue with the DB11 controlling segment upper. Daimler a year ago reviewed more than 1 million Mercedes-Benz autos fitted with directing section parts likewise provided to Aston and Nissan. The Japanese carmaker's Infiniti image reviewed 17,500 influenced vehicles. The issue is disconnected to a worldwide review of flawed Takata airbag inflators that have been reprimanded for 20 passings. Deficient establishing the Daimler units leaves their hardware helpless against electrostatic charges that can trigger unintended airbag organizations, as per prior notices. Mercedes revealed a modest bunch of occurrences where drivers endured minor scraped areas or wounds because of the issue. No Aston Martin clients have announced any such occurrences to date, the organization stated, including the important repair work would be completed for nothing out of pocket in under 2 hours.